XXL na lang. XL.
Baka meron sa baba. Mag-fit siya, pero di ko pwede ipakita kung sobrang excited ko. Kasi hindi niya bibili. Ito, fitting room. Magsasalsedo kami. I'm hungry. Sabi, ang dami ko ng tambok na videos. Like, legit. Kailangan ko mag-edit. We're papunta na saan? Single origin dahil gutom na ako.
Long black. Ice po mo? Ice.
Sea salt lang.
Isang sea salt latte.
Change to oat milk. I'm healthy. Nag-salad lang ako. Ano mo talaga? Yeah. I like it. Can't stop drinking it.
It's good.
I like it. Grabe, big box na naman. Weekly na lang ako nag-big box. Nag-big box din ako last week.
That's fine.
Grabe, exposure therapy. Guys, na exposure therapy na ako right now. Girl, wala namimilit sa'yo. Say thanks, Gab. Thanks,
Pili ko
Gab.
kapag pumunta tayo ng return, hindi ka makakapalit ng box.
4 minutes for my IG. Thank you so much. We're nasa park, guys. Sobrang init dito. Hindi ko na siya maromanticize kasi pinagpapawisan na ako talaga. He's ordering crosta. Thanks! Gusto ko to.
It's recording. Taste. Go.
I like it.
What's the verdict? You like it? But is it special from other pizzas? Diba?
Feeling ko masarap to with honey. May honey kayo sa bahay?
Meron si Ate Ana.
Makihingi ako kay Ate Ana.
Hingi ka kay Ate Ana. Bite lang.
Bukas ba? Closed ata, baby. Naghahanap kasi kami ng cold cup. Kasi saan na to siya naghanap? Wala pa rin cold cup anywhere. Real now, we're going to Wet Markets pop-up. There's Starbucks spotted. He's gonna check daw. We're done. We're done with the pop-up. I kinda expected it to be overstimulating, but that was next level overstimulating. Sabi, super nahulas ako. Sobrang siksikan sa loob. As in,
Totoo.
siksikan. Ang ending, dalawang sticker lang nabili ko. But it was cheaper there.
How much was it? Oh, it was 50 pesos,
Because,
right?
dalawa. 50 pesos dalawa. Pero kasi bumibili ako sa shout out to you Critter Cafe. I know you don't know me. Pero bumibili ako sa Shopee niya. Tapos, parang isang sticker, 35, 37. Tapos, dalawang stickers, 50 pesos. We're just waiting for our Grab.
Happy hurt.
And pauwi na kami. Bye Makati. We're going home.